Meet Ethan. Like many students, he struggles with Chinese. The characters seem like an impossible code, and the tones make his head spin. Ethan tries everything, but nothing seems to work. He starts to believe that he's just not good at Chinese. But then, Ethan discovers BriliBrain Edu, a place where learning Chinese is an adventure, not a chore. With the guidance of passionate teachers and a unique approach to learning, Ethan starts to see Chinese in a new light. He discovers the joy of storytelling, the habit of self-directed learning, and the power of communication. Ethan's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and the right learning environment. He not only masters Chinese but also unlocks a world of opportunities.